15 portable gadgets for travel that don't take up space in your bag. Each one of them super practical. Rank 15, I recommend a portable gadget for business trips that doesn't take up much space in your bag and is super practical. It's a collapsible airbag comb that's perfect for me as someone with tangled hair. It's easy to use and helps untangle knots quickly. It also comes with a small makeup mirror, making it convenient for touch-ups on the go. When you're done using it, you can easily fold it up and it takes up very little space. Rank 14, this small box is extremely useful for medications that need to be taken regularly. It has 28 small compartments that can be used to organize your pills for a full 2 weeks. It's also easily portable and can be carried in a handbag or pocket. Rank 13, this Disney-themed portable charger is a must-have for me when I travel. It's small, doesn't require any cables, and is super affordable with its 5,000 milliamp hours capacity. I never have to worry about my phone running out of battery. It's also convenient for using my phone while it's charging. Rank 12, this inconspicuous item is actually quite useful when traveling. It's a hat hook that can be attached to your bag, so you don't have to carry your hat all the time. It works with various types of bags and has a strong suction cup that can hold even heavy hats. It's also made of durable and wear-resistant material. It can even be used to hang other items like jewelry. Rank 11, finally. I found this mini card holder that has cute cartoon designs and lots of card slots. It's perfect for storing frequently used cards like credit cards, small change, and my driver's license. It's compact and doesn't take up much space in my bag or pockets. Rank 10, this is a great invention for people who prioritize hygiene. It's a thin slice of soap that looks like paper and can be carried around easily. It's compact and convenient, and you can use it to wash your hands anytime, anywhere. It dissolves in water and produces rich foam. It not only cleans, but also has a light fragrance. Rank 9, when traveling, it's always a good idea to bring along some spare underwear. These individually packaged cotton underwear are perfect for that. They come in a pack of 7 and are available in different colors. They're comfortable to wear and can fit up to 180 pounds. When dirty, you can just throw them away. Rank 8, this portable electric kettle is a must-have for business trips. Hotel kettles can be unreliable, so it's better to bring your own. It has a 300 for stainless steel inner liner and a hidden power cord. Just plug it in and press the switch, and it boils water quickly and safely. It's perfect for making tea or coffee. Rank 7, these travel slippers are lightweight and foldable, making them perfect for business trips and vacations. They're comfortable to wear and have a non-slip sole, so you don't have to worry about slipping. They're also hygienic and disposable. Rank 6. This magnetic holder for smartphones makes using your smartphone easier and more convenient in the car. It can be easily attached to the dashboard or air vent, allowing you to easily see your phone screen without looking away from the road. Rank 5, these wet wipes are perfect for removing oil stains from clothes, especially for those who tend to spill food on themselves. They're effective for removing stains like soy sauce and fruit juice, and they don't leave any residue. They come in individual packaging, making them easy to carry around. Rank for this double-headed fruit knife is a must-have for any household. One end is a peeler and the other is a fruit knife, making it versatile and convenient. It also has a safety feature that prevents it from accidentally opening in your bag. Rank 3, these loose-fitting eye sleeves are perfect for summer outings. They're comfortable and breathable, and they protect your arms from the sun. They're also practical for activities like driving and cycling. Rank 2, if you plan on going near water, this waterproof phone case is a must-have. It's affordable and stylish, and it comes with airbags that keep it afloat. You can take pictures and use your phone while it's in the case. Rank 1, this shopping bag can be neatly folded and stored, making it very convenient to use. It's spacious and can hold a lot of things, making it perfect for grocery shopping. It also has widened handles that won't hurt your hands when carrying heavy items. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.